is it? No, it's not even like chess, but it is a different game. It's a fun game, really. Yeah, let's keep playing. We are divided into 2 teams. We're already in a team, and hey, who already got 2 hoops in? That wasn't mine. No, it wasn't. Well, it's not mine. Not mine either. Well, it's remote then. Well, she did it. Well done. Well, I guess she gets a reward. Heart, walk, glute, do, cake and steak. So, divine batteries are here, and we've got 38 votes, and we've got chocolate mousse today. Hooray! Yay! Daisy is safe first with 0 votes, and whoever does not get a chocolate mousse will leave Battle in Hawaii. Hannah's safe next with 4 votes. Oh, I think we got a bottom 4. Some people are tied with 5 votes. Yep. So, Pen, Lai and Remote are tied with 5 votes, while the other will be eliminated. So, 1 for Pen. Thanks. That one's for Lai. Thank you. And the last one is for Remote. And Pillow's eliminated with 17 votes. Oh no! I didn't want to scold her because it was such a big jelly that she made for the jumping castle last week. Because she's too cute. Ah, thank you. Not the thingy. I'm not prepared for the thingy. You're not going to Ghost Town because it's an event today. Because today we are having a success party. Hooray! Yep, and yes, everyone's coming. Yay! Right, off you go, Pillow, and join the eliminated contestants. Oh, you got eliminated? Yeah, I did. I must have done a good job making that jelly as a jumping castle. Wow, that's amazing. Yep, and like Mummy always says, anything is possible. Alright, there are 19 of you left, and today, guess where we are? We're in my home! We're in Enchantia! Yep, we're in Sophia's home today. That's where we're doing the 19th contest. You are going to race to the bell tower, and the last team that gets to will be up for elimination. There's going to be, 1 team member to do this today. Yeah. The eliminated contestants can do whatever everyone else in the teams can do whatever, and the guests are here for the party because we invited them to the party as well. And 2 was happy to hear about us having a success party today. Yay! General, Amy, Daisy and Candle will participate in the race. On your marks, get set, go! Special guest, and they'll see her later at the bell tower. I'm going as fast as I can, yeah. I don't even have Nessie with me. I need something to make me go faster. I know, I have an idea. I have the most evil idea. Well, this is something that they're not going to tell me off with. A legal energy booster, yeah. General. What? Oh no, don't tell me what I think he is. Oh, do I know what that stuff is called? Yeah, I don't even... Yeah, that's cheating! He's going too fast. He's going to be disqualified from the challenge. Not a really good strategy, hey? No, it's not. Why is he doing that? That's not very good. I'm sensing that I know what it's called. What? It's a legal energy booster. Oh No, he can't do that. That is certainly cheating. Go, Amy. Oh, I need something to drink. Oh, my cranberry juice is so delicious. Can I try some? Of course you can, Eggy. Yeah, here's a straw. Well, tastes good, right? Yeah, you're right. It's delicious. Oh, I knew you'd love it. Wait, we can both share it. Yeah, we can share. Yeah, that would sound fun, won't it? So, you like strawberry milk? Yeah, girl, I do. Strawberry milk is my favorite. Yes, you made it. Oh, Belle, it's nice to see you there. Oh, hello, Amy. Candle's made it too. Daisy's made it as well. Thank you. Oh, no. No, your team's up for elimination. Hold on. Why is General running so fast? Yeah, I know what happened there. Yeah, he went too fast. General, what's going on? What did you do? I used something to make me go faster. What is it? What did you do to make you go faster? I knew exactly what he used there. What is it? Tell us, Belle. A legal energy booster. What? Why did he do that? That is not good at all. Because I must have saw him. How did you leave the bell tower then? Before you included me in the challenge, I saw General putting some things on, and I knew what it was. That was a legal energy booster indeed, and it made him go faster. OMG. Well, thank you for telling us, Belle. General, that was strictly forbidden to do that. That is against the rules. That could totally get you disqualified. And Pin, you know the word? Yeah, cheating. That's exactly cheating that you did there. And your team is up for elimination. And Belle, you're coming to the party later. It's a success party. Oh yeah, the others told me that before I started in the challenge. Are you serious? Not the vote me out sign. Pocoyo, Millie, who you gonna save? I'm gonna save Hatsumi-ku. And I'm gonna save Pin. Thank you. Thank you. Anyway, voting ends on the 10th of May. Episode 27 will come out on the 13th of May. We're friends forever, friends through thick and thin. Friends, we're friends forever, friends through thick and thin. We're friends forever. Power up for adventure. No challenge big enough her. She'll find strength and confidence. Level up for adventure. Come on, join the fun with Courtney, 1986. Ooh, Courtney, 1986. Go, Courtney, go, Courtney, go! Go, Courtney, go, Courtney, go!